If you've been seeing Manychat around and you'd like to know more about what it has to offer and how it can help you on social media, you're in the right place. If you'd like to get started with Manychat, you can use the link in the description to get started and create your account for free. This is an affiliate link, which means we do get a small commission if you click on it. Let's get into the video. So the first thing I do want to discuss is how easy it is to use Manychat. So the Manychat is a very intuitive drag and drop interface that makes it super easy for basically anybody that is getting started, regardless of the amount of experience you have with apps or software like this. So within minutes you can get going. Also, it does have the multi-platform integration, so it allows you to interact with Facebook Messenger, Instagram, as well as SMS. There are also a couple others that you can go ahead and explore, such as Telegram. You also you get super awesome automated workflows. So they have templates that you can actually work from, and then you can customize those templates according to your specific needs. You also, of course, have the option to start from scratch. So you'll have a blank template and you'll be able to completely build it from scratch. It also has broadcasting capabilities, so you can send out broadcasts to your subscribers and you can keep them updated on any promotions that you might be running or campaigns, and this would optimize for way better performance. Some of the other things that I'd just like to discuss is that it is pretty cost effective in terms of marketing. Even if you are using the free version or the paid version, regardless, it is fantastic. It allows you, if you have a small business, to really get started without any financial commitment. So if it doesn't work for you, there's no risk. And then the last thing that I just want to mention is that it super increases your engagement. So with their chatbots that are available 24/7, you can engage with your customers literally absolutely anytime, and that's a two-way street. So it is really fantastic. You get really high response rates and just general improved customer satisfaction. So as I mentioned before, you can go ahead and tap on that link in the description. You can go and get started with Manychat. It's super easy and it will really blow your mind.